Monday,
Like
they'll be 4 weeks of age. So never. About 2.5 weeks, the eyes open and the ears open. Okay, the ears are actually, they're just, kind of bent together. And then all of a sudden the canal starts opening up. So they see nothing, they hear nothing for like 2.5 weeks. And then all of a sudden their eyes will start peeking, and then, and it's really interesting because we'll open the door of the Milky Way, and when the ears open because they all go, what was that? Because it's the first time they've ever heard the Milky Way open. And so no, they've never been outside before.
One who wants to explore. He doesn't want to snuggle. He wants to explore.
He's probably trying to figure out what on earth. You're not my mom. There's no fuzz. There's no milk. What is going on? But I could have some milk if you had any. So actually, if you take your finger and you put it at their mouth, they could try to nurse.
Is he looking for a warm spot? Is that what he's doing?
He could be looking for milk.
He's trying to eat my hand.
Yeah, let him suck on your finger. He doesn't have any teeth.
He was doing it right here.
Yeah, give him a finger. Give him a finger.
Try your pinky.
Yeah.
Don't move. There you go.
There. He's looking for milk.
Look,
Is that your...
that's a good way to stop you from doing it then.
Ow.
I think so. Ow. Ow.
No, it can't be ow. There's no teeth.
Yeah, there is.
No, there isn't. There's no teeth in here.
Oh, look.
He's gumming you to death.
How come there's teeth marks then?
Let me see.
That's how
Let me see. No, I want to see this. I want to see
that one.
this.
Someone bit me. Remember that Joey?
Oh, he does have
Johnny
teeth.
bit me.
Oh.
Yeah, stick that finger back.
Those are itty bitty little teeth. They're just coming in.
And that one as well.
Oh.
Just give me that finger
I'm
back.
trying to get him in a position so I can hug him and then he's like, that just
Yes,
just get him.
That he is.
Oh, don't bite my finger again.
He says, I'm hungry. I'm
Would
hungry.
you like a quiet one who wants to cuddle? I do.
Yeah.
Good luck with that.
There he goes. Now he's getting his fat.
Now, if they start whining and they really want down, put them down. Because if you don't, they could get peed or defecated on.
No.
Okay? Because they're just like a human baby. They'll go any place, anytime.
I can't tell. He's thinking what my hand is. He doesn't know what a hand is.
There you go.
Ah.